it's Chanel, and today I'm going to be making edible slime. The only ingredients that you will actually need is some silver spoon casting sugar, some salt, and some chewy sweets, because if you use non-chewy sweets, it won't work. So let me just go get a plate. Sorry if I was long. I've got a plate, and now you're going to put your sweets onto your plate. I'm going to choose the colours. I think I'm going to choose orange and yellow. So I got orange and yellow. And now open these and pop. I said pop them on to your bowl. And then go and microwave them. So that all on the bowl, almost. Where's the thing? Oh. So now they are all on the bowl, and I will be 1 second. I'm going to go melt these. Don't leave without me. Guys, I'm back and they're melted, so now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So, you can see that they're melted now. All you do now is basically mix them all up. Oh wait, these aren't melted enough. I'll be 1 second again. It's not melted enough. So guys, now it's melting in the microwave, so I'm going to go take it out. See you in a minute. Guys, wait, I've got to show you this. It was a big mountain. It was a big mountain. It was up there, but yeah. So now you just have to mix your whole slime up together. And this is where you need the other ingredients.